This is a 111-acre estate in Middle Tennessee, where you get the rare combination of large acreage, rolling countryside, and complete privacy, all within a manageable drive to Nashville and surrounding towns. What makes this property stand out isn't just the size, but how quickly the landscape changes the moment you leave the main access point and step into total seclusion. As you move deeper into the property, the environment opens up into wide stretches of open land, natural elevation changes, and uninterrupted views that extend across the Tennessee hills. It's the kind of property where you immediately notice the absence of noise. No traffic, no development pressure, just open countryside and natural surroundings in every direction. With 111 acres to work with, the land itself becomes the main feature. Rolling pastures, wooded sections, and natural clearings create a diverse layout that supports a wide range of uses. Whether someone envisions a private residence, recreational retreat, hobby farm, or long-term land investment, the scale of the property gives flexibility that is becoming harder to find in this region. The sense of space here is what truly defines it. You can stand in one section of the property and see long stretches of land disappear into tree lines and hills, creating a feeling of separation that's rare so close to a major city. At the same time, access to Nashville and nearby communities remains practical, giving the property both privacy and convenience. Throughout the acreage, the natural terrain offers endless potential, from walking trails and outdoor recreation to agricultural use, or simply preserving the land as a private escape. Wildlife is present throughout the property, reinforcing the feeling that this is a place built for quiet living and outdoor connection. And while the land is the highlight, the overall setting ties everything together. A large-scale Tennessee property that feels private, usable, and genuinely removed from the pace of everyday life, yet still connected to modern convenience when needed.